I'm getting my hair braided today, but before I do that, I need to shampoo it. But before I do that, I need to do a treatment. So let's go ahead and do a treatment. We're gonna start with a hot oil treatment first. Just boil some water or warm some water up in a microwave, and then set your desired oil into the water until it gets to a temperature comfortable enough for you to touch on the inside of your wrist so that you do not burn your scalp. Today I'm using my black Jamaican castor oil because it is nutrient rich and is thick in viscosity. I'm going to be using it for deep moisturization, follicle protection, and sealing my cuticles. I'm going to section my hair first into quads. I already did.
God damn you have!
Ow! I already did 2, so now I'm going to break it up into 4. All right, hair's in 4. Take your oil and let's test it on our wrist first. Make sure it's nice and warm. That's good. Perfect. All right, starting down my middle part. Ooh, it's hot. And then we're gonna do our side parts. Use your fingers to just rub it in. And then I'm just gonna take my applicator and go in between my sections, spreading generously. I got a little peanut, so it's not gonna take me much. Put it in, drop it down, squeeze out, squeeze out, squeeze out. Once you got the oil dispersed, just go ahead and gently massage. Now my cat just rang the doorbell. Well, triggered the alarm. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Did you have fun? This guy. After massaging your scalp for a few minutes, drop some in your hand and rub it through the bottom, through the ends. You really want to focus on the ends to seal those cuticles, especially when getting braids. This is probably going to be the most important part of your entire journey, the entire treatment. It's making sure these cuticles are nice and locked. I also soaked some rice and some oats, and I'm gonna add it to a spray bottle. It's been a little minute. I don't know what it's gonna smell like, so we're gonna brace ourselves. I'm scared. So far, it doesn't have a smell. Okay. Yes, it does. Oh, it smells old. Oh, that rice smells terrible. But I'm gonna use it anyway. Been 30 minutes. It's time to shampoo and get this smell out of here. Okay, I don't know how to describe it, but like eggs is somewhere in there. Also, when going in with a shampoo, make sure you are using a moisture rich shampoo, especially with you having curly hair. You want to lock in as much moisture as possible. So shampoo, moisture rich shampoo. Do a deep condition if you have a deep conditioner. If not, a regular conditioner is fine. But the most important part of the entire process is rinsing with cool water. Hair is clean, face clean, Now I'm about to blow dry. It's about 89% dry. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of an oil that has a heat protectant in it. And just spread that through. All right, let's get it blow dry. Okay, my hair is nice and blow dried. Now remember, it doesn't have to be a hard blow dry because I'm not getting a silk press, but it just has to be, you know, blown out enough to where I'm not, you're not having a lot of curl, you know. But my hair feels nice and soft. There's some shine to it, and I haven't even soaked my hair out. This is where you get, this is where the silk from silk presses come from, right here. It's all about the preparation before the actual style. I am now about to put an oil to like seal the ends so that they're protected inside of the braids. I got my banana oil and now I'm just gonna rub that through the ends. I mean, we are all about healthy hair growth, okay? Now, I just recently had a trim, so I'm not necessarily in need of one. But if I were in need of a trim, I would absolutely trim my hair before getting it braided. And I know it's a faux pas to get your hair trimmed before getting it braided, but if your braider can't braid your hair with freshly trimmed ends, you need a new braider, period. And I'm gonna stand on that. And that's all there is to it. My hair is ready to go. It's nice and moisturized. It's feeling soft. And now it's time to go get braided. Did that. It did that. Yeah. Get into it. Get into it. That bitch is gonna be me. That bitch is gonna be me. They gonna see this and like, yeah, I want that. Yeah. Take your picture. Take my picture to your braider. As a matter of fact, my braider, and tell her you want this. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That was fire.